Hey guys, another restoration job. Um, this is a Regency brand. That's the model number right there. Just needs to be redone, cleaned up and stuff. Stuff is, these radios are part of my collection, and they've been sent for a long time, so a lot of them need to be redone or gone through and cleaned up and stuff like that, so that's what I'm going to be doing with this one. I got some wax there. See if I could polish this metal out. It's kind of oxidated, up and down, but it looks pretty filthy dirty. It's kind of dirty in there. It's just a short video of what it looks like before I start. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.